Buddhism is often seen as a peaceful and enlightening path. However, like any belief system, it can have unintended negative effects when misunderstood or misapplied by individuals or communities. One potential harm comes from misinterpretation and misuse. Some individuals may adopt a superficial understanding of Buddhist teachings, such as the concept of non-attachment, and use it to justify emotional detachment or apathy. This can lead to neglecting personal responsibilities or relationships, causing harm to themselves and others. The emphasis on detachment can sometimes be misinterpreted as emotional suppression. This can lead to individuals feeling disconnected from their emotions, which may result in mental health challenges. While Buddhism encourages understanding and managing emotions, misapplication can lead to emotional numbness rather than healthy emotional regulation. Cultural and social misunderstandings can also arise. Western interpretations of Buddhism might oversimplify or misrepresent its teachings, leading to cultural appropriation or the dilution of its rich traditions. This can cause friction between different cultural groups and diminish the authenticity of Buddhist practices. While Buddhism offers profound insights and guidance, it is crucial to approach its teachings with depth and understanding. Misinterpretations can lead to unintended consequences, highlighting the importance of studying and practicing Buddhism with respect and mindfulness.